we go. Client coming off of a 8-week wolf. You know what I'm saying? Gary getting fresh. Let's go. Here we go. Taking him down with my Barber Pros. Taking him down to a number 2 with the grain. Smooth. Just clearly taking off all that wolf. Just getting the homie right. Bring him down to a number 2 with the grain. Okay, we're gonna start with our taper. The blade open. We're gonna go up about 1/2 inch. Then we're gonna go up about 1 inch in the back. Make sure it's clean. Hit the other side. 1/2 inch. With my number 2 blade, I'm gonna go up against the grain right here in the back. Just take out the bulk. Make sure you comb down as you go up. Come down, smooth it out. And as you can see, it's starting to blend in already. Now I'm gonna switch to my 1 guard, my 1/8. And I'm gonna go against the grain. Barely going up. Barely. Just knocking out that first anchor line. And as you can see, it's starting to blend in properly, knocking out some of that bulk out. I'm gonna come down on it with the 1/8. Smooth it out. And it's coming along quite nicely. Take off my 1/8 blade, and I'm gonna, with the blade open, I'm gonna come down on it and make sure everything is lying down. Then I'm gonna just flick out that bottom line. I'm not gonna go up too deep, just barely hitting that bottom line with an open blade. Just flick it out. And we're gonna do that for the sides as well. Here we go. I'm with my number 2 guard against the grain right here at the temple. Not going up too high. Going with the grain now, smooth it out. I'm gonna switch to my 1/8, which is my number 1 blade, and I'm barely going up. Barely going up, just knocking. I was trying to knock out that bottom line, that bulk. And as you can see, it's blending already. Quite smooth. Get behind his ear. Looking good. I'm gonna take off my 1/8 now. And with the blade open, I'm gonna come down and just smooth down everything the same way I did in the back. And now I'm gonna just flick out that bottom line. Look at that. It's like butter, baby. It's like butter. I'm gonna use my comb and any excess bulk at the top. Comb and clipper, knock it out. For you new school barbers, I know it's not a technique you're accustomed to, but trust me, it gets the job done. Alright, here we go. Here I am with the red alert. Shout out to OG Walker. This is a wave retention foam. I'm gonna put it in, massage it into his hair, make sure it's spread out evenly. Make sure I get it in good everywhere. I'm gonna massage it in, and you can see the waves start to pop already. I'm gonna just take my brush and I'm gonna brush him down. I'm gonna brush him down. And what the red alert is gonna do, what this wave retention foam is gonna do, is just gonna apply maximum hold It's gonna give the hair a luster and a shine that's unbelievable. When I'm done with them, it's gonna look like glass. You know what I'm saying? Brush them down real good. Make sure it's all in there. Alright, now I'm gonna apply this do-rag. I'm gonna put the do-rag on him. Tie him down nice and tight just like he would. Okay, what I'm gonna do with the blow dryer, I'm gonna give him a little heat, but not too long. I'm just gonna make sure that the retention foam is nice and dry. So what this is gonna do is gonna give the wave pattern a maximum hold. It's gonna make the cut stand out and pop. Trust me, can't lose with this technique. My wavers love it. Make sure I hit all sides evenly. Turn them around. Make sure I get the front, the back, the sides. Okay, do-rag is off. Time for me to start the edge up. I'm gonna start with the back. I know a lot of barbers start with the front. Me, I don't know. I just like to start with the back. You know what I'm saying? Behind the ears. Make sure I remove all the excess hair. Get them real crispy and clean. Get them real sharp. On the opposite side now. Make sure you don't go too far in. You want to stay as close as you can to the natural hairline. Okay, now I'm done with the edge up. Alright. Now I'm going to hit him with a little enhancement. Just bring out the cut. So you guys who haven't dabbled with enhancements yet, the enhancement doesn't make the cut. It only complements the cut. So with a boss lineup, you could get an outstanding lineup using enhancements. And here I am applying with the cordless airbrush gun, a little semi-permanent dye. My mix right now that I'm using is Kiss Expressions. I mix black and brown, 3 parts Kiss Expressions, 1 part alcohol. And as you can see, I'm getting the homie oh so fresh. Cut is shaping up real nice. Okay, I'm gonna use my Slimline Li Pros now and just go back over the edge up, taking off any excess dye that may be around his hairline. And as you can see, the cut is crispy and clean. Make sure you're good all around the board. Hit him on the other side. Make sure that hairline is crispy. Voila. Alright, hairline looking real good. But we're gonna make it pop now. How we gonna make it pop? We're gonna hit it with a little razor work. I'm gonna use my Chevette. Take off any excess hair around the hairline. Make sure I get his sideburns on point. Remember to pull the skin when you're doing the edge up. As you pull the skin, move this razor smoothly along the hairline. Yeah, and as you can see, our boy is looking crispy and clean already. We're almost there, folks. We're almost there. A few finishing touches. This is my favorite part of the cut. Now, razor work, can't stress enough. If you barbers just using your liners or your trimmers to edge up your clients, I implore you to learn how to use your Chevette, learn how to use your razor. You turn a B plus haircut into an A plus haircut. Really know how to just make it stand out and just pop. Okay, the homie looking real good right about now. But we ain't finished with him yet. As with any good cut, we're gonna finish him off with our shears. We're gonna remove any excess hair that might be sticking up. Just to give the homie, the client, a polished look, clean and fresh. Trimming off any excess hairs. And I must say, this cut is looking rather dope boy fresh. The homie was waiting the whole quarantine to get this cut. Well worth the wait. And yeah, that's what it is. Bam. Here we go from 0 to 100. This is what we call the wave special here at Hair Force One, people. Ask for it by name. By yours truly, Nature the Barber. And that's what it is, folks. Holla at your boy, Nature the Barber, Godfather of the Chair.